Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you tips to make millions fast with the bamboo method in Grow a Garden 2 of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. The first thing you want to do is clear out your garden so you have as much planting space as possible. The more space you have, the more bamboo you can grow, which means more profit in the end. Next, head over to the seed shop right here and then buy as many bamboo seeds as you can afford. Okay, now it's out of stock, so I need to wait. Once you've got them, blend bamboo all across your garden and try to fill every available space to maximize your earnings. After planting, place sprinklers around your bamboo to help it grow faster and increase the chances of getting valuable mutation. You can get the sprinkler from the gear shop. If you have watering cans, you can use them as well to speed up the growing process even more. And then comes the most important part. Once your bamboo is fully ground, don't extract it immediately. Take a close look at each bamboo first. If it doesn't have a mutation, it's usually better to wait or focus on harvesting the mutated ones first. Mutations can significantly increase the value of your bamboo, allowing you to earn much more shekels from each harvest. So once you see a bamboo with any mutation, go ahead and extract it to maximize your profit. Keep repeating this method by planting more bamboo, waiting for the mutation, and harvesting the valuable ones. Over time, you'll be making millions of shekels with this simple strategy. And as you can see, my shekels right now, I have 4 millions, and I have tried the bamboo method. My garden is already full with the other crops. And okay guys, that's how the bamboo method works in Grow a Garden 2. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!